In this video, we'll go through 5 Hostinger HTML editor tricks that most beginners miss in 2026. First, make sure you log into your Hostinger H panel. Now, open the websites and then select your website, click this dashboard, and go to the file manager. Click this open. So after that, click this folder. So Hostinger's file manager lets you edit HTML and other text-based files directly from your browser. So for the trick number 1, you can use a built-in editor instead of downloading files. So right-click the HTML files and then select the edit. You can make changes directly on the server and click save when you finish. Trick number 2, use find and replace. So in the editor, you can open the options menu and use the find and replace to quickly locate repeated text, class names, or other code instead of searching manually through the entire file. For example, you can also click the CTRL and the F and type the class name you want to edit. For example, hero, and then you will see here the results below the text box. So for the trick number 3, use line numbers. The editor displays line numbers, making it much easier to find a specific section of your HTML and troubleshoot code. It can also indicate syntax errors with an error icon. Trick number 4, use the file search. Instead of opening folders one by one, you can use the file manager search function to quickly find files such as index.html, styles.css, or JavaScript files. For example, admin or dashboard.php, and then enter, and here you go. And here's the result. Now, for the trick number 5, make a backup before editing. So, download a copy of the file first, especially before changing important website code. A small mistake in HTML or PHP can affect your live website. So, one important note, Hostinger's Files Manager is for file based websites like custom HTML and PHP. Websites created with Hostinger Website Builder use a different system and don't support traditional file manager editing. And that's it. That's how to use 5 Hostinger's HTML editor tricks most beginners miss in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.